So, our learning intention today is, can I add three one-digit numbers together using different resources? And again, it's just so that we can work out sums quickly. Now, the easiest way to do things is to start at the biggest number first. So then we don't have to add quite as much. So, because we've got three numbers to think about, we want to add two numbers together first. What is the total? Now, if the two numbers make more than 10, remember we need to think about what we've been doing in bridging, where we make 10 and then add the rest. So if we had 5 and 7, I've got 7. I could start with 7 because it's the biggest number. I need 3 to make 10, so I'll take that from the 5. So then I would have 2 left, so 10 and 2 is 12. So then you've got the third number, so you add the third number to the total of the first two numbers.